Hi, I'm David Holub. In our practice, we frequently find ourselves investigating what led to a serious injury. Today I want to talk about the danger posed by a malfunctioning garage door. While an automatic garage door represents a great convenience, it also can present a hazard if the components malfunction. A garage door is simply a machine. It consists of springs, cables, rollers, and pulleys. If a component fails, the door may not operate as expected. For example, torsion spring components are under high tension, and large doors are usually equipped with 2 of them. But if one of these springs fails, the motor that powers the door up and down when the button is pushed can get overstressed and stop functioning. And the door may be stuck in an open position, a closed position, or somewhere in between. All automatic doors have a release that is used so if the door loses power, you can still open the door. If a user is unaware of that a spring is broken, however, and pulls the lever, the door can come down at a high velocity with much force and cause a serious injury. Having a professional periodically inspect the door can be essential to see that the door is functioning properly. And that inspection will include all the mechanical components, including the motor and the springs. Garage doors should have automatic sensors on them, at least all that have been created in the past 10 years. And those sensors will prevent the door from closing if a child or a small animal goes between those sensors. These can be tested yourself, and you can use a object to trigger the sensor and see if the door will stop movement. But the things like the springs and the motor functioning and whether the other mechanical items on the door are functioning correctly should be done by a professional inspector, and we would suggest that these be done fairly regularly. For more information on this subject and other subjects, check our blog posts or call us.